It's time to transform your manufacturing operations with Deltek's innovative solutions, purpose-built for government contractors. Manufacturers doing business with the U.S. government face unique challenges as government contractors: tight budgets, stringent deadlines, and strict performance and compliance regulations. Managing your processes with outdated paper-based systems and inadequate quality management leaves your organization at risk. To tackle these challenges, Deltek offers a unified platform, making every stage of manufacturing easier, from procurement and material tracking to production, quality control, and delivery. Automating manual tasks enables you to simplify workflows, optimize resources, and reduce rework, minimizing the risk of missed deadlines and non-compliance while accelerating audit preparation. Embracing the culture of Industry 4.0 with a digital strategy is the key to seamlessly aligning projects, people, and materials in real time, while simplifying compliance and audits, enabling you to stay competitive and agile in today's fast-paced environment. Optimize operations with Costpoint, Deltek's leading ERP specifically designed for government contractors. It centralizes project management, accounting, and manufacturing, streamlining and digitizing the production cycle to reduce bottlenecks and help you meet strict compliance standards. And with AI-powered capabilities from Deltek Dela, your intelligent business companion, you can be more productive and efficient. Dela's capabilities enable greater automation, helping you extract valuable insights and make faster, more informed decisions throughout the manufacturing project lifecycle. Integration with quality management and shop floor execution from TIP Technologies enhances quality and allows for a paperless shop floor. Add Deltek Shop Floor Time, part of the Costpoint solution, and your labor tracking automatically flows into Costpoint, improving cost control and ensuring accurate project financials. Now is the time to redefine your manufacturing operations with Deltek's innovative solutions.